Alright guys, super exciting day today. We have a very special package that came in. It's one of the last kind of parts or set of parts that I have been waiting on to get the bike back together. I haven't actually seen what it looks like. I kind of know a little bit about like what we decided on, but I haven't actually seen any of it in person, and I've gotten very limited photos on it because we kind of wanted it to be a little bit of a surprise. So I'm really excited about it. I get to finally kind of unbox this thing and see what it looks like. So anyways, you guys know that I wrecked, and when I wrecked pretty hard, and so all of my bodywork was destroyed. It's actually bodywork that I had inherited when I purchased the B bike, and that bike had already been wrecked and laid down before, so there's been like several patches and fiberglass repair on it. I actually did a little bit of fiberglass repair on it for a video. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. But that is the steaming pile of garbage that is my old bodywork, and it's just too far gone to try to repair in any reasonable way. But when I had painted that bodywork, I had reached out to a guy named Wes Washburn, and he had helped me come up with this kind of like cool retro Honda design that I really liked on my bike. And so I wanted to do something really cool again. And when he heard about my wreck, he reached out to me. So big thank you on checking in with me, Wes. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Even just like sitting in the hospital, it's fun to get like texts from people, just knowing people are thinking about you, and you know, it gives you something to do when you're just sitting there all day and you don't have anything to do other than text people back who texted you. So it was really nice of him to reach out to me. And one of the things he did was he said he wanted to help me redesign the new set of bodywork. So we've spent some time doing that. I went ahead and shipped him a fresh set of Armor Bodies work to go on the bike so we could start kind of all new and see what we come up with. I'm really excited to unbox it. It just came about 20 minutes ago. We're gonna just open it up. All right, so we got this giant package in. It is labeled for me. It's got Wes's name on here. It's got my number on here. I'm super excited to start unboxing this and see what it looks like. And see how much better it looks than what I was working with before. This is going to be actually the first time I've ever had it. Wes is going to paint it quite a bit better than I can. I used a little bit of a rattle can job there. And so I'm excited to see how someone who actually works with bodywork comes up with a design and gets to like bring it to life, what he has in his mind and what we kind of tried to decide together. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like. All right, we got this cool envelope, which I think is probably going to be numbers for the number plates. And I also did not send him a windscreen because I already had one here. So that's probably what a lot of this is. But let's go ahead and open it and see what's in it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try not to lose all these. But we've got a ton of extra stickers in here. We've got my name done up, a bunch of CBR stickers. We've got some, this one's Engine Ice. So we've got some kind of sponsorship logos as well. We've got numbers. I'm gonna be running 843 this year. These really cool HRC stickers. And then Wes is being a little bit optimistic. He went ahead and I don't know if these will show up on the actual camera or not. He was optimistic. Sent me some white plates because he's anticipating that I don't stay as an amateur long. We'll see about that, Wes, but it certainly gives me some motivation there. Here's the yellow plates. We've got also some of sponsorship logos. We got Blood Racing lubricants. We've got Suomi for this year as well. So really excited about all these. I'm gonna get these back in here before I lose them all. And we're gonna take a look at the actual bodywork. All right. This looks good. All right, So first up, we've got our tank cover. And boy, does that look good. Look at that. That is going to be awesome. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So this is a little bit different style than I had on there before. Tank cover just kind of ended there with these armor bodies. They come down a little bit as well. I do have another monkey grip on the way. But this is really cool. I mean, look at he also, because he's smarter than me, put a lot of these things under a little bit of clear coat as well. So we've got the really cool pinstriping. We've also got the Honda logo, all of that underneath, some clear coat. This is definitely next level compared to what we were running last year. So this is really exciting. Thank you already, Wes. I'm so excited about this. We have our front fender. That's going to be awesome to have something a little bit different color there. This one's cool. I like this one. So this is the tail section, which is already going to be better because it's got like, this thing is actually in one piece, so that's going to be function much better. And then we've got all of this stuff. This is super cool. So this is, again, all underneath the clear coat. And I love the gold kind of trim on all of this. That's super cool. It just looks like classic Honda. Man, that is exciting. This is going to be honestly the best looking bike I've had yet. Oh, this is cool. So we've got the whole nose section here. And man, does this look good. This is going to continue with those themes. We've got zero gravity logos up here. We've got CBR, HRC, Honda stuff all in here, and again, continuing with the pinstripes. Yellow plates for this year. We'll see. We'll see. Should be one last piece. And this one might be the coolest. All right. This is awesome. All right, so here's the belly pan. We've got CBR all the way on the bottom. We've got all of our sponsorship logos on the side as well, including new ones like Suomi. Engine Ice has been doing great. Vortex, Blood Lubricants. Man, and we got Blueprint here. This is Wes's. Wes even signed this. How cool was that? That is so cool. Thank you, Wes. This like personally means a ton to me, so I really appreciate seeing even these personal touches on this. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate how much you helped me out with this, and I'm really excited and motivated to both get all this stuff back on the bike, but also get the bike back on the track. Okay, I got all the bodywork fit up the other night. All the holes drilled, everything lined up. So I wanted to show you guys what this now looks like now that it's all done, get a little bit of video from it. I got some pictures and stuff of it just now that I'm going to post up later, but wanted to give you guys a little bit of a video overview of it as well, and some of the great work that Wes did for me. I've got a few more things on the bike that are still coming in. There's a few pieces that are a little bit loose on the bike. I need to get the handlebars all kind of done up in the proper position and everything, but I've got work on the dash area and stuff like that. Got the steering stabilizer back up on there, but the bodywork itself is on there and it is looking good. So let's go take a look at it. Here it is. All right.
I am really excited about how this comes out. Got all the sponsors down here. This is looking great. Got Wes's signature right there. That is a really cool personal touch on this. Love the old retro Honda vibes. Love the gold pinstriping along here. This is really cool. The old Honda logo. Everything on here is super cool. He did these cool kind of stacks of logos for all the sponsors on there. There's a little bit on the back side as well here on the tail section that looks really good. This is all looking so good. I'm excited to get this thing out on track and see how it does this year. So that is it for today. I wanted to show you guys what that looks like now that it's all complete. I'm going to keep working on this bike, getting it ready for the season coming up and now a couple months here. We've got some regular maintenance and stuff to do. I just finished putting in a clutch for it. Drained all the fluid because it was freezing overnight here, so I need to get some coolant back in the bike. Bunch of just little maintenance things. Clean up the brake calipers. I'm going to tear those down, put some new pads in and everything, get ready for the new year. So yeah, we'll keep chugging away at it, but really excited about how the Bodyworks came out. Thank you, Wes. I appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to this year.